Welcome everybody. Good morning or good evening. Hello there. Hello there. Sorry if I was late a little bit. What's cooking? Hello, Malo Legacy. Good to see you back. Content Hunter. Welcome. Farhad. Hey. Good morning. How's it going? How's it going? Frequency. Hello. Doing great. Thank you for dropping in. HD Photo. Yoragat. Hello. Good morning. All right. Guess what? Gold is at 5,600. Gold is at 5,600. What the hell is going on here? I mean, oh my gosh. Like after market close, where we just rallied higher, another extra $200 here on gold. I mean, I don't know. Smokey, hello there. Oh, it's Ollie, of course. Yeah, I see the avatar. Oh, cool. Ollie. Like the name. Smokey, the sucker dad. Hello. Bull Barbie Trading. It's TOMSABO. I love this. Is this the real Bull Barbie? I don't know. Are you the real Bull Barbie? Or not? Let's find out. Let's find out. Oh my gosh. The real Bull Barbie. Oh my gosh. It's really her. We're seeing so many fake accounts nowadays. It's Barbie. Wow. Hey. Barbie's in the house. Hello. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I guess you have the speedo. I sent those pictures in confidence to Methodical Man, but it seems like he just cannot keep a secret. Barbie, it's super late for you, right? Were you trading the Asia session or? It's so amazing to when are we going to do a joint stream together, huh? You know, wink, double wink. Are we gonna do that or what? Oh my gosh. Oh, you guys share everything. Even his oh, sick and sleep is. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Everybody, Barbie soon. That was like, yeah, soon. Like, Barbie is here, everyone. Oh my gosh, it's good to see you. Well, I was so surprised on this price section, everybody. I mean, not to mention this here on NQ, but like gold, wow. It's just, I just can't figure this out. Oh my morning, yeah. Well, so far this might not be the best morning session in London session, but so far, I mean, as far as price action goes. And by the way, everybody, because I promised yesterday, if we reach the goal with Take Profit Trader, there's going to be a giveaway. So I'm just wanting to make sure if you guys want to participate in the giveaway, it's running on X. So it's very simple. Just comment, retweet, and like the post. And I'm going to be giving away 2 50K test accounts at Take Profit Trader, and there's gonna be giveaway at TRADEIFY next week and more. Yeah, it really, I mean, gold is just going up like crazy. I don't know what's up with silver. I mean, I really have to do some research, like what is going on. Is this because of like risk off, or I mean, yes, I was watching Powell yesterday and I just don't know. And how are we doing with the likes? I see 12 likes only. So can we push it to 30? You know, this is my new thing now. You're still in ETFs. Spiritual healing. Hello there. No trade stocks. Hello, Shrish. Good to see you. Nick Trades. Hello. Content Hunter is here. All right. Oh yeah, I said good morning to you. All right. All right. Faceless Man, hello. Winod Kumar, hello there. Smokey, the sucker dad, I said hello to you already. Okay, I said everybody hello. We are at 18 likes. I think we can do better than that, right? All right. So let's check out some levels on NQ. So good to have Barbie with us this morning. Or evening for some of you. On the 15-minute, this here created a demand zone. Not that it really matters because, let's see, 46, who knows? Just below the midnight level. On the 1 minute, I would say maybe we can go for it, but like, if you guys want to scalp it, it actually didn't go to, well, okay, never mind. If there is an inversion here and the structure shift, the range is just not enough. 17 points is not going to cut it here in London. Papacito, hello, Yanix. Why don't you give away in YouTube? Well, this giveaway, I mean, so far I always did giveaways on YouTube, and there will be giveaways on YouTube, but this one is specifically on X, but there's going to be a giveaway on YouTube as well. So YouTube giveaways are going to happen, just saying. But this TPT giveaway is on X. Today I passed MyFundedFutures 50K account that I purchased using your code. Hey, congratulations, Shrish. Amazing job. All right. Let's just check out some levels here. Let's do it. So there's a demand zone here. All right, there's another one down there on the 5 minute. 5 minute level right there. Let's see. Entry level of that zone is 147, 47.50. Okay, this has not been. Okay, I've been taking 5 minute demand zone. $15-minute demand zone. Okay. Okay. It is cool. Serial, what's up? Or Cyril, sorry. I don't know. Which one is better? Okay. This is cool. I see that all the I got this information that the accounts at MyFundedFutures that has been affected by loss about the data outage has been reset, or those have been resetted. At least so far, that's what I'm seeing, which is cool. We like that. That is really, really cool. We have 21 likes, 78 viewers. So we need to get these things to like at least to 50%, which means can we get another 20 likes, 20 likes more? I'll be right with you guys, but I have to check something here. I have to check something here. Okay. Seems okay. All right. Just checking something. You like 10 times. Thank you, Barbie. Thank you. Good morning, Marco. Hello. By the dip to the moon. It seems like that's where we're going. By the way, there was nothing like special. Economic activity has been expanding at solid pace. Yeah, so job gains have remained low. The rate is low. Company seeks to achieve maximum employment and inflation rate. Okay, 2% over long run. Okay, I don't know. I mean that I don't think it should be like it's super bullish. And yesterday there was a level here. I'm going to show you this. This was quite amazing. If you look to the left on the 15-minute chart, there is a demand zone right here. And I was watching this level. Like, let me just put this here. You can call it order block, whatever. At 25,994.50 on the micro. And hey, Timo, hello there. Jake, what's up? Oh, wow. We have now more people, which means, whoa, okay, we're above 100. Can we push the likes to, like, I mean, we need to go to at least 50 or 70. And just a reminder. So look at this. After earnings, or this was like, yeah, was this earning? I think it was earnings. The low of this candle was 996.25, and the zone started at 994.50. Immediately went higher, which means this 15-minute demand zone is still there. So I'm not saying Q is going to crash now, but it's like really, really interesting. And let's look for some Asia low levels as well. Guess what? Here's Asia low. At 85. That is good for me. I can look for some shorts in this. Honestly, I might even take a scalp here to this 15-minute demand zone. Who knows? Hey, Gabor, good morning. Jake, hello. Let's see. Because that starts at 28, right? Yeah. That's at 28. Timo is short. Well, we can. Loving nature guy, hello. It's afternoon. Awesome, awesome. So as promised, by the way, I'm going to give away 250K test accounts at Take Profit Trader. And this is the post. Super easy to participate. Or should I say very, very easy? And tomorrow we're going to pick the winners. Mirovsky, hello. Okay. I haven't really talked about gold. As this could be just one of those sessions where it's just going to be super hard to find the proper target. Without a target, it's not going to be easy. I'm telling you. Yeah, and this one here, I think we can say that it's an Asia high area. Relative equal highs at 626. I'm going to put an alert here. If it goes above 5,606, might be looking for longs. Otherwise, I don't care. The only thing I care about right now is if this one goes lower. That's it. If we can smash into that demand zone again. I actually opened up a scalp position. Only because this account is going to get rebuilt, I think, next Monday. Yeah, next Monday, this account is going to get rebuilt. So... how can I show this? Why is it not showing up? Oh, I know. Okay, I know. I just wasn't sure about the credentials here. Okay, anyway. So this is just an evaluation account at MyFundedFutures. And this is going to be rebuilt. So I just went in for a scalp to get down to that 220, 30 micros before you say anything. Yeah, it's 30 micros. I usually don't do this with MyFundedFutures accounts. I do this with the Apex accounts, but like, you know, this is still an old version core account. Do you go high risk, high risk to reward? Honestly, not really. Usually I just size up the position. So I just go with usually 1-to-1 risk to reward, but like with the bigger position size, usually. Already entered? All right. If it starts to go down, I think it could go down to 200 EMA. Quite possible. I don't have the EMA. Oh, I don't have the VWAP on here. Oh, it's way down there. All right. The VWAP. So this, yeah, this is gonna get rebuilt on Monday, and it's in drawdown already. And I only have today and tomorrow to pass this account. So, I mean, worst case scenario, I blow up the account and it's gonna rebuild anyway. You like the size of my trade? I didn't have the time to. I thought that it's just gonna immediately smash through that 228, but it's not going to. It's not gonna. It seems like it's just hovering here. Oh man, just a quick scalp. So on evaluation accounts, not really. Only the position size is different as far as I'm concerned on the evaluation accounts. Now again, just saying that when I do this kind of thing, oh, what the hell? That's usually when the account is in drawdown or before the rebuild. I mean, usually both. I'm still working on Bulenox accounts, by the way, and some take profit trader accounts I picked up. Also, I mean, the Lucid accounts, I mean, so many accounts to work on. And I need to do a recap video of how we're doing. This month, I have to get some, I mean, the only payout this month so far is from Bulenox from 2 accounts. I think how much was it? $2,800. So we're not doing so good this month. Not gonna lie, this is just I'm just struggling a little bit in this month. I thought we can make it to 10K at least, the bare minimum, and instead all I got is 2 Bulenox payouts. I don't know if I can pull in a take profit trader payout until next Monday, but I don't think so. So rough start for sure this January. I mean, last year was the same. January started with like $2,000 or something in payouts, but then everything picked up nicely. But Paul, hello, good evening. Medin, hello. Welcome, trickle in, everybody. Okay, so gold, for gold, I'm not interested to trade gold, right? I really don't, because I just don't see the point right now to do anything with gold. I really don't see the point. But I am also trading with FTMO as well, trying to get that payout, you know, prove to myself that I can get it. I don't even have a stop loss on this one, guys. I think if it gets to 50 something, it's going to get blown up anyway. Do you crypto trade? Do you, crypto? I can't, what am I, dyslexic this morning or what? Do you copy trade accounts or one by one? I tried to copy trade multiple times, like 5, 6, or 8, whatever, multiple times, funded accounts, and guess what? Whenever I tried it, the worst happened. I've blown up so many funded accounts last year because of that. But the best results I achieved last year was when I was rotating the accounts. So in the spirit of that, that's what I'm going to do in the next couple of weeks or months. So rotating the accounts for me works much better. It definitely easing up the stress level and the pressure, because even if I do something stupid on one account, it's just very simple. I just switch to the next account and just take a deep breath and reset my brain and, you know, go again. Usually that's what I try to do, and it always works. There are traders out there who have the mental awareness to copy trade like 40 accounts, and you know what? Amazing. I can't do that. I need to focus on one account, one by one. My Apex account is still not updated in dashboard. Oh, is it a TradeAway account or Rhythmic? If it's TradeAway, it should be updating. Maybe you have to wait until New York business hours if Apex had the same issue. It's TradeAway. Let me check something. Do you trade New York morning? Yes. I trade the New York early morning session from 7 a.m.-ish as well. We are having 42 likes and 175 viewers, which is amazing. But we need to push it. Oh my gosh, can we get this to 100 this session? I mean, we have time. Can we get the likes to 100? Because this is how YouTube works. This is the way things are going on, and I know you guys are super amazing, but can we get this to over 100 until we finish up today? Okay, let me check for I don't think I logged into Discord this morning. No, I'm not. Maybe there's some announcement about this. Let me check it for you. Apex notice board. Temporarily, okay. That was yesterday evening. The temporary trade rating has been removed. Trading resumed as normal. We will continue to monitor. Oh no, I'm in drawdown. To monitor the accounts affected and make adjustments as needed after market close today. Not good. All right, this trade is going to the dumpster. At least we tried. I'm gonna leave a bit of a wiggle room here for this one for later. Let's see if it trades. I'm not gonna have too much after this. I'm just gonna put a stop loss. I'm just gonna put a stop loss here. Maybe I can save some space for later. Again, if you're just tuning in, don't worry. This account is just an evaluation account and it's going to get rebuilt on Monday. And it's already in drawdown, so... I mean, since a couple of days now. Thank you so much, Rizzy. But if you hit the like button twice, that means... you hit the like button and then it's a like, but if you hit it once again, it's taking away the like. Yeah, I know. Some people do that. I know. But it's fine. Even just watching the stream, it's great. YouTube likes that. If you don't like the channel, but still here watching, that helps me as well. And that's a great thing. Never suffer. Hello there. Good morning. Can you go over your sleep schedule with us? Are you awake now? Yeah, sure. So I live in Europe, right? In my time, this morning, it's 8:25 a.m. So 8:25 in the morning. So let's just go over this real quick. I usually get up around 6 a.m. in the morning. 6, maybe 5:30. I don't really sleep too much, but like 6 a.m. in the morning. So in my time, the 2 a.m. Eastern Standard kill zone timer starts at 8 a.m. in the morning, right? So for me to stream in the London session is very, very convenient. It's very comfortable. It's quite awesome. So I like it. And I can stay here in my time easily until like 10 a.m., 10:30, which is like 4:30 a.m. Eastern Standard. Just perfect for the, oh, there you go. So just perfect for the London stream. And then the early New York session, which starts at 7 a.m. or after 7 until 9. In my time, that is 1 p.m. until 1 p.m. until 3 p.m. And so when I start as a co-host at MyFundedTV, that is at 3 p.m. until 4:30 p.m., which means I'm at my computer from 1 p.m. to 4:30. So there's 2 times really. From 8 a.m. until like 10 in my time, and from 1 a.m. until 4:30. That is my whole day, trading-wise and streaming-wise and everything. So if I count everything together, and obviously in between, anyway, that's like, I'm not really streaming until 9 a.m. I mean Eastern Standard Time, but like that's 3 hours plus 2. In every day I stream and trade about 5.5 hours, maybe 6, 5.5, you know. But out of that 5.5 hours, 90 minutes is as a co-host at MyFundedTV, which I'm very grateful for, by the way. But this is how it goes. Oh, dollar Swiss is going somewhere. Let's check it. And it's very, so it's still 4:30 in the afternoon for me when I finish up my day. And I'm not trading the New York PM session. I don't care about it. Oh, okay. Dollar Swiss is going. What is happening? I'm just kind of checking. It's important to me to know what's happening with dollar Swiss, because whoa. Could this be possible? I think it is. I think this is going to happen here. That was something different. Back to the VWAP. Is it going to go higher? I wonder. It could. Anyway, dollar Swiss is moving higher. NQ is moving higher as well. No, I'm born and raised here in Hungary. I'm a Hungarian, originally from here, Hungary. Just joining. Hey, Peachbud, what's up? Did you have a contract change on TRADEIFY? Let me check it. I think I had a contract change. Oh, this was the contract change, maybe. I'm not sure. Hold on. I think I had. Okay, so maybe this is the reason why we are at 50, almost 5,600 on gold. Yeah, I think I had a contract change. Okay, let me check the numbers again. 59 likes. Oh, dollar CAD is also moving. Dollar CAD. Oh, dollar CAD. All right. What is going on here? That level is 42.9. Well, it seems like it's moving. What the hell? Euro dollar is moving. Okay, seems like the Forex pairs are moving. It's kind of interesting to see this. Whoa. Thank you for joining. Who is this? Black Mamba, welcome. Kind of checking. 62. There's the level there. 62. Impossible. 65, maybe. Maybe 65, who knows? We'll see. All right, the Forex pairs are definitely moving. NQ is pushing higher. Interesting turn of events here. Oh, you're on the old contract. Okay. That is good. We like that. So, by the way, don't forget that we are having the 50K to 50K Take Profit Trader test account giveaway. The winners are going to be announced on Friday. Don't forget it. That's going to be awesome. Okay, ES also going higher. Wow. ES pushing. Well, I don't have a target here. Let me check the 1 minute here. I mean, technically we can call this a zone, but like, I'm sorry. Is this a 6 p.m. reset timer here? Yeah, it is. So potential buy side liquidity up there at 294. Okay, I'm just kind of checking these levels. I wonder if it wants to take that level out or not. I still don't have a trade on. I mean, normal trade on. I tried to scalp that one previously, but so far it just keeps pushing. I don't know how far, but it's going. It's going nicely. And as for gold, no, sorry, yeah, this is gold. Almost forgot. I would be interested in previous day high, which is relative equal highs, but it's just going lower, so. Yeah, NQ is trying. Yeah, typically, it's so exactly, Ollie. This is typical all-time high price action everywhere, not just there. Like, I think, like, if you look at the daily chart on NQ, so we are so close. I mean, actually, we made it higher, right? No, we did not. Yeah, of course. So we are getting closer. 646 all-time high. And on the 4-hour chart, there's nothing. We are in a fair value gap right now. And on the 1-hour chart, no zone, nothing. Relative equal highs at 516. We'll see. Keeps going. I'm not saying price action is bad. At least there's some movement so far, but it's tricky. Hey, Randall, I did see that trade, by the way, at 9:49 on that day you called it out, and it was perfectly going down to that level. I did see that, and it was a good call. I saw your comment later. You're the winning lottery. Let's go, Michael. Or Michal, sorry. But is it... there is no possible to get 150k, right? Oh yeah, there is. Actually, I can tell you guys, we can get 150k accounts, but like with Take Profit Trader, for the affiliates, there is a tier that you have to reach, which are called gold and diamond levels. So I reached the gold level, and that's why I got 250k test accounts. But we need a lot more sales. I mean, at least 20 accounts needs to be sold in order for me to get 350k test accounts for a giveaway. But you can, I mean, obviously, I'm still happy if you guys are using the code, and who knows. But we only have like 72 hours or less, actually, to reach that goal. In 72 hours, we need to get like 20 sales at Take Profit Trader in order for us to get the 150K accounts for the giveaway, which is not impossible, but you know, this is how it works. But if you guys can push Take Profit, I mean, sorry, TRADEIFY a little bit more, I've been promised to get some giveaway codes. Let's go. On ES, let's go, let's go. Nice. Well, we'll see if it pushes higher or not. It's definitely an interesting level here. But at least we are we're done with the FOMC day, right? We're done with that. Cheesy Balls, hello. Ahmed, hey, what's up? Welcome everybody. Trickle in. And we are having more than 200 viewers. Amazing. And 70 likes, which means it will be super easy. We only need 30 more likes and we can easily manage to get through that 100 like barrier. Can we do that? I think we can do it. Yeah, right. Of course we can. Just get to that 100 like level. I promise I'm not gonna torture you guys. We need to show YouTube that, you know, we're here. That's the goal. By the way, I know I told you guys I don't want to go into politics, but as of my country, I can comment on politics. So here's the story, guys. Listen up, because this is a good one. Obviously, I mean, in my country, there's going to be elections in 2 months. So, and as you all know, Hungary is a dictatorship. So Hungary is a banana republic, basically a dictatorship running here. On paper, it says democracy, but it's not democracy, it's a dictatorship. Now, there are these websites like Polymarket or Kalshi, I don't know how to pronounce it, where you can, which called event contracts, right? So you can place a bet on certain events. Obviously, political events are very popular, so you can bet money on political events like elections or stuff like that. Now, the Hungarian government has stopped the access of Polymarket and Kalshi from Hungary. You cannot access it, only from VPN, because there are lots of bets going against our prime minister that they are going to lose the election. It seems like lots of Hungarians are betting a lot of money that our current prime minister is going to lose the election. And it actually, you know, put some fuel on the fire here in the news as well. This even got to mainstream media. Like, the government actually blocked Polymarket and Kalshi, so you cannot place a bet against the current prime minister. How funny is that? They're blocking the website, so you cannot place a bet. Oh, that is like, you know. Yeah. So I can't reach Polymarket or Kalshi from my country. It's been blocked. Yeah. You can't place a bet against the government because everybody's placing bets against it. Now we've been promised by the opposing party that once they win the election, they're going to delete this restriction and everybody can use Polymarket and Kalshi again. But the current government just said, oh, no, we don't want you guys to bet against us. So naughty boys and gals, don't bet against the government, because that is something we don't like. And so they just did this, you know. Anyway, NQ is going higher. But by the way, if you guys are able or want to make a bet on Polymarket or Kalsi, I can tell you the surefire bet that our current Prime Minister Viktor Orban is going to lose. He is going to lose. So I don't know what are the odds right now, but you can bet your ass that he's going to lose. He's going to lose. And they know it. All right, still waiting here. Not much of a movement. We have 12 minutes until London Open. I repeat, 12 minutes. So far, not much is moving. Kind of interesting. Okay, I was just reading here. Yeah, me too. Waiting for this London Open to finally show us something. Similar thing happened in Egypt. They did a poll on Discord server about removing the president. The next day, they blocked Discord, so we had to use VPN. Yeah. Yeah, it's democracy, right? It's democracy. This is how democracy works. You know what? By the way, in our country, the government officials, and actually one of the second men in command here in the government, next to our prime minister, he said to the same question about democracy, like he said, you guys are in a big mistake because there is no more democracy. It has to be rule and order. Forget about the old concept of democracy. That's what they're saying in our country, in my country. Forget about the old rules. Forget about the dream of democracy. What is needed in today is rule and order. That is what our government is saying. Rule and order. That is what people need. So that is how the government is working in Hungary. Rule and order. That's what they're saying. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, they're saying it out. So they're not even trying to hide it right here in Hungary. They're not even trying to hide it. They're not even saying like this is democracy. They're actually saying like forget about the old concept of democracy. There has to be rules. That's how you can live in a perfect world, with rules. So anyway, let's wait. London. Oh, we have 77 likes. We need 23 more likes. Can we get 23 more likes, everybody? The Apex sale is still on until February 24. Sorry, next Wednesday evening. It's still on. I tried to scalp earlier a little bit here to this demand zone, but I got stopped out on an evaluation account, so no trades yet. I'm kind of waiting for the London Open to show me something here, what can be done. But so far, not looking good. Not looking good, to be honest. $83 likes, let's go. 17 more and we can get to 100s. Just 17 more likes. It will be super easy. Just 17 more. Let's go. 16 more. Can we get through 100? Whoa, we have Jose Miguel Guaba. Oh, sorry, Jose Miguel Guaba Perez joining us today. Welcome. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Welcome. Let's see the level here. It's at 28. And we have another one, G Squad. Hello. Thanks for joining. Welcome to the channel, G Squad. We are at 97 likes. Yes. 3 more. 3 more likes and we can do it. We can reach the 100. That's going to be the goal here. 98. I see it happening already. Lancey, hey. Or Lance, sorry. We have 104, everybody. 104 likes. This is team effort, everyone. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. All is good. All is good. Kind of waiting for the London Open. Like everyone. 5 more minutes because there's not much happening. Gold is kind of congested into a zone. There's not many levels here that I can go with. There is a demand zone down there at the midnight level and then lower. I'd like to see the market go down, by the way, even if it sweeps the 294. We'll see. We'll see. Mirovsky, you were the one with 105. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go. Super amazing. Super duper amazing. Okay. Let's show up. Thank you, Ahmed. So again, what I'd like to see is a drop down to 228. If we can have some down close candles below the zone, I would be interested to take a short, which I would be able to hold even until the New York session down to that other demand zone. Now the bigger picture is kind of interesting from yesterday, how we actually popped higher on this, excuse me, on this 15-minute demand zone down below 26K. I feel like the market really wants to push it up there, but like if there would be a sell-off, that would be super amazing. right back to the VWAP. That would be a great confirmation to go lower. But like, you know, let's just wait this one out. Two more minutes. Two more minutes. Actually, not even 2 minutes. 1 minute and 10 seconds there. Okay, here we go. Pre-market open is away for an hour, but here's the London Open. Here it is. Let's see what's going to happen. 253 out of the short. Let's go, Bob. I don't know if we have any news this morning. Not in the Europe session. But we do have unemployment claims at 8:30 Eastern Standard. So we do have that. Let's see. Let's see how far can we get with this one. Are we going to go down to the zone, I wonder? Maybe we do. Maybe it will. And I do feel a bit of a FOMO Because once we hit that 228, just kind of proves the point that I was correct, at least with the demand zone. If it's not going to enter that 228, yeah, then I was wrong. But even if it does, for the next move, I need to wait for down close candles below that zone. But anyway, it just got more exciting. Is it gonna go down there or not? I'm kind of wondering. I'm just really curious. I mean, I want to know. Yesterday was all-time high. Yeah, it was way up. That's true. Well, again, it just poked the demand zone. This is not enough to take a long position or even a short position. Gold is still basically at the same spot. I'm gonna put an alert to like somewhere here. Okay. I really don't get it. Why is it not going? Dun, 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 dun. Oh man, it's just one of those days where we have to wait. Well, London session seems to be always like that. Good morning, Trading Star. Hello, welcome. David, buenos dias. Hello. Gold dumped. Let's see. Yeah, it went through. But still, I have no level here. Malo, you didn't miss anything. Earlier, a while back, I tried to scalp my way down to 228. It stopped me out, and then it went down to my original target. So that's what happened. We tagged the zone as expected, but unfortunately pushed me out of my position. And for now, who knows? It's a difficult read, in my opinion. It's not as easy as I thought it would be. Hey, Stony Warriors, what's up? Dites bonjour en français. En français, Francis. I don't know. I tried to do my best. Amstone, what's up? Gold didn't spend too much time. Maybe. Who knows? Actually, I'm just curious if it wants to break lower than 5,400, but you know, a little bit disappointed, by the way, because I think to trade gold is just going to be more dangerous in the next couple of weeks or months. Who knows? But like, look at the reaction so far on NQ. I don't like it. It's just not enough. It's just not. Once I'm not getting, I mean, if I'm not getting that close below 211, I just don't care. So not much to do with it. Let's see. Yeah, not much is going on. Even the dollar is getting a little bit weaker here. Let me check dollar Swiss for a second. Okay, nothing there. Nice haircut. It's just the same hair as it's always the same hair. Short scalp is a good for, yeah, it could be. That's why that's why I'm gonna wait for this level, especially the mid level of the zone. For now, it could be just pushing back higher to take this 6 p.m. reset time high. AMD, that's what's happening. Oh. Should have known. Well, maybe it wants to, maybe NQ wants to make sure to push through that 294 level. It's just interesting to see. Good morning, Sofa FX. Hello. 265, a good short level. Stop at the upper 265. It could be. It looks like a good level. Picking up some liquidity here as well. But like, I mean, this was the London Open here. Picked up liquidity from the zone. Now it's pushing higher. But how far? How far is this gonna go? Ah, no, I have no idea. Hey, Camille, what's up? Hey, no problem, Trading Star. It was, I was just telling the truth. That's how things are going, you know. That's how things are, Trading Star. We just cannot give up. You know, we cannot. Okay, NQ is pushing up there to that 94, it seems like. Not far, 15, 16 points now. Yeah, almost 20 points to go. And I still can't decide if I want to jump into a scalp. Damn right. Just got home from work. Wrecked. Yeah, I mean, I feel like this market is... And this also wants to wreck everybody as well. Because it's just so hard to read. It really is. All right. Let's wait and see. uh, Mhm. It doesn't really want to go through 94. I mean, this is watching paint dry so far. Really, it is. Hey, Trade Delicious, what's up? Welcome. Yes. Oh, yeah. Yes is going nicely. There was a, okay. Yeah, so there's a fair value gap there that I thought yesterday we were going to break that. But we didn't. Looking for all-time high, right? That's what's happening. Kind of makes me curious how far it wants to go. But like 294 on NQ is really close, relatively. So we shall see. A part of me wants to jump in, by the way, for a quick and easy 15-point scalp, to be honest. I really do. I really want it. Just an easy 20-point scalp. It's just tempting to do it, but I don't think I want to force myself into it. So, Fresh Delgado is back. Hello. Zero volume. Oh, then they will slap you if you're long. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I agree. I was really tempted to jump in, but now I'm confused. Would be an easy 20 points higher, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna wait a little bit more. Let's just wait. Vishnu, Prakash, hello there. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining. Welcome, welcome. Oh man, it's not doing anything. It's again watching paint dry. Watching the paint dry at this level again. So what to do? What's the best strategy for intraday trading accounts? Well, always go for small base hits, like relatively small. Like don't go with that risk to reward ratio. I would keep it around 1-to-1. That's how I would do it, like 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And yeah, and relatively small gains. Like, I'm not saying you cannot make $500, for example, but like, don't try to aim for like those $1,000 or $2,000 trades. Like, if you can make $200 or $300 on any given trade with a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, that would be a good idea. Also, if the market is not moving too much in your favor, like it's going for your TP but it's not really moving, maybe move your stop a little bit closer. So try to, you know, get some risk off, or if you can, close some partials. That is basically it. But even if you don't do anything with the stop, or by closing some partial contracts, they're just, you know, base hits is like 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, and it's that's it. That's basically the thing. And limiting yourself down to only 1 or 2 trades a day per account, if you're rotating multiple accounts, for example, but like 1 or 2 trades a day. That would be good. Look at that. Randall is going to be right. Randall, I think you said 265, right? Look at the short playing out nicely. Beautiful. You're welcome. You done 1K in test and 130 in pro. Let's go. Congratulations. Yeah, HD photo again. HD photo is just saying, as fellow Hungarian trader, that like these morning AM sessions in London are just terrible. I agree. Like, it seems like this is really giving us a rough time in all January. There's just no clean levels, no clean movement. My Life, hello. Thank you for subscribing. My Life Q3Q2J, welcome. What a day so far, right? What a day. Oh, man. Why? Oh, and we have Fanda Benesh, or Benes. Welcome. Thanks for joining us. Still kind of waiting, but it's actually, it's almost like painful to watch. All right. Definitely not the price action I was looking for. Guys, long, please, long, more stops needed. Trade Day, yes, they are good. They are absolutely solid. Professional. I would say Trade Day is also one of those professional prop firms who are like not really participating in any fiasco or drama. They're just doing their thing, paying out traders. So they're good. Absolutely. Yeah. They have my seal of approval. I approve this message. Yeah. Hey, Dr. Shuttle. Hey there, Gabriel. What's up? Welcome back to the stream. How you doing, man? How is trading? How is life treating you? I hope all is great. What a day so far, right? What a morning. Bum, bum, bum. TOMSABO guarantee for trade day? Yeah. Yeah, I think I can give that for trade day. Yes. You know what? Yes. Exactly. Okay. Oh my gosh. This price section is just bleh. Sure, thank you. Think so? I don't know. I mean, let's look at the range. So far, like this was like, yeah, I mean, I'm not saying it's too bad, but I don't like what I see. There's no displacement, no real structure shift in any direction. Hold on, the market makers are calling. Just a second. I'm still on the phone, guys. I'm still on the phone. All right. I'm still on the phone. It's just on speaker. Sorry, guys, it was a phone call with the market makers. But I guess the market didn't really do too much as far as I'm seeing it. What's happening, by the way? Oh, wow. Okay, gold is going down a little bit. I was watching the euro dollar, by the way. I was so sure because look at this level. I mean, I'm not trading Forex, but like, look at this level. I was eyeballing with the 15, was it? No, it was a 5-minute zone. And while I was on the phone, I was watching this level like, man, it should be hitting that 64 or 65, you know, 119.64. And look at that, boom, just went down perfectly. Like sometimes I see these zones. This is, I mean, forget about which market I'm showing right now. This is just for the pure example. Like when I see something like this, I just lose my mind. It doesn't matter where I see it, which market. When I see this, I'm like, you know, ding, it's just gonna go there, which it did, by the way. Picked up liquidity beautifully here from that area, and then boom, just went down there. Absolutely great. The same situation, by the way, on the dollar Swiss. Well, not exactly the same, but look at this. Absolutely great level on dollar Swiss. I'm not trading it. It's just for the example. Like I'm seeing the zone, picking up liquidity here, and just look at that. Hello, dollar Swiss. That's what's going to happen. Just saying, you know. And it's just amazing. NW. Is that NASDAQ? I guess it's NASDAQ. What do I think? 294. I mean, right now NASDAQ is trash. That's what I think. Dr. Shed is bullish on 121. Yeah, so thank you. Yeah, so NASDAQ is a total trash. This is a very, very, very bad price action here. I'd like to see 294, by the way. That's what I think. But this is just intuition, nothing more. There's nothing indicating me to take a long position. But the way I'm seeing the 5-minute chart right now, I want to see 294. That's what I want to see. But I'm not going to take the trade because I have nothing is validating me to enter that trade. So I'm not going to take it. It is what it is, I know, but I just can't. I can't. But it's frustrating, right? And we are having 123 likes. Thank you so much. 200 viewers. Awesome, awesome. Thank you for pushing the likes. Thank you, everybody. Can we push it a little bit further? I know this is a trash price action. I mean, what can you do, right? What can you do with this? The algos are working. They know exactly how to spoof the traders. You go long, they drop it, vice versa. And by the way, that's true, Randall. Exactly. So they know that retail traders want to go long. They want to see that level. And obviously they're teasing everybody, but then boom, just dropping it all the way down. What I can tell you, and that's why I put this alert here at 26,211. Once we get below that level, maybe it's going to happen in the New York session. I'll be looking for possible shorts. I hope we go lower here a bit. Yeah, we'll see. Thank you so much, Rizzy. Rizzy. But okay, so if you push the like button, where's the thumbs up icon here? Okay. So there's one like. Okay, if you push the like once, then if you push the like a second time, okay. So this is how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess you know where I'm going with this, right? Okay. So you push it once. Then if you push it twice, actually it's going to take it away. If you push it one more, for the third time, it's going to give a like again. But if you push it for the fourth time, it's going to take away the like. And this equals 0. So if you push the like button 4 times, that's actually 0. Just an equation here. You like even numbers. All right. All right. Break even likes, actually. Yes. Break even likes. Right? So this is how it works. We are really bored. We are. We are really, really bored, everybody. I mean, this price action is just Trump shorted NQ. Let's see. I mean, something is going on. I think they're preparing something. It may be a huge sell-off. Who knows? Close the short. Let's go, Randall. Congratulations. Yeah, you were entering around 65, right? Good job. Good job. Absolutely amazing. Minor retrace could go. As long as we're in this congestion area, I don't know what to do with this. Maybe I don't even care about it. Drop a like, it's hot. Thank you. We are at 129. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. This is really, really amazing. I appreciate the support. Trump info. Yeah. Well, we're gonna wait for the pre-market open, and I'm still going to wait for a possible close below that 211. Until we wait, I'm just going to get and grab some more tea. All right, I'll be right back. Smash the like, of course. I'll be right back in just a minute. All right, here I am. Here I am. Rock you like a hurricane. You guys don't hear me, right? Here I am. Da, 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 da. All right, hello, I'm back. 228 again, back to the zone. ATM subscribed? Did I say that? If I didn't, welcome. Here's my take. This session is to fuck with the newbie traders, understand that what they are doing. Yeah, Randall, completely. Look at this. Again, bringing price lower. Now it has to go lower than 27 at least. 6 more minutes. Hey, look at this. Look at this. Buy one, get one for free is still on until the end of the month. You can get a free account from Funded Futures Network. Just saying, ends January 31st. Yeah. Herein. Rock you like a hurricane. I'm still kind of watching the dollar Swiss. Helps to represent the situation on anyway, forget about it. Dollar CAD going way higher. Oh man, it's a slow grind. $254 for another short 2 contracts. Let's go at 54. You know what? I think you're right. Picking up some orders, spoofing everybody, boom. Made 2K. Stop loss paper trading by strategy, but afraid to take on my Well, that's why it's like such a big difference between the paper trading accounts and an evaluation account. You know. Mirovsky, take a rest. Wake me up. Yeah, okay. All right. All right, Mirovsky, have a good rest, you know. Sleep tight. Hang in there. And we will let you know if something happens. So far, not much is going on. Here I am. Let's go. 144k, go short. Mirovsky is in short. Didn't close. Oh, from 271. Okay, that's a nice entry. It's a really hard decision. We have the 10 a.m. open right now. 10 a.m. Why I'm saying 10 a.m. 4 a.m. In my time it's 10 a.m. But we have the 4 a.m. pre-market open currently. Not much is happening as far as I'm seeing it. Let's see some stocks here. Nvidia spiked up a little bit. Tesla, just a bit of a spike. Meta also, not much of a movement. YM slowly edging higher, but that's, yeah, that's the Dow. Okay, so not too much bullish strength here. And if I look at this range, like, yeah, it's about 30 something points. If I just look at the bodies of the candles, like, not really ideal, not even for the London session, honestly. So not the best. Let's see. I might order some food. Okay, we are at 65. Let's see. Let's order some food. But is there something I can order, like, which is not... Okay. That is not... I can order sandwiches too. Fresh deals. No. No, not this, not this, not this. All right. Well, none of these. Seems like I have to go there in person. I have to do it myself. Yeah, gold is definitely going crazy. Look at this drop. Now we have, at least we have down close candles below that 55.30. There is none for now. Participants haven't come in, so short side is good. Yeah, I like the logic there, Randall. Buyers are just not stepping in. Feels like we have some space down there that has been left for you know, technically sellers to push it down. Buyers are just not stepping in. Almost got it. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, I really don't want to say this, but I'm going to call it here. I'm not going to take a trade. I'm not interested to take a trade in this market. I'm just hoping that in the early New York session, we'll get something more. So I just want to say thank you, everybody. You guys are amazing. We are having the 131 likes. We had more than 200 viewers. Everyone is just a great sport. I cannot tell you guys how much I'm grateful for you guys to be here every day. We're averaging above 200 viewers in London session, which is amazing. Thank you so much for that. And also I appreciate for you guys using the TOMSABO code up there for these prop firms. to get the best deals. It's not just giving you, by the way, the best deals and discounts for all these prop firms that you see up there in the banner. It gives you an extra lucky charm. Also, 1.98% better pass-through ratio on the evaluation accounts has been confirmed, by the way. Proof will be uploaded in about, soon. But the thing is, thank you. I appreciate that. I'm going to come back in the early New York session. I'm not taking a trade here. So thanks again. God bless you all. Support the channel with the code if you can. And I'll be seeing you guys later, I guess. So take care and God bless you all. Cheers.